What's up, YouTubers? We got another video for you guys today. As you guys saw in my last video, I ate the classic Buldak, and that crap just destroyed me completely. I've never tried it before, and this is probably a bad idea. I don't recommend this, but I'm going to be trying the 2 times spicier Buldak ramen, and I don't know how this is going to turn out because the first one literally killed me. Like, I mean, maybe after the first 10 minutes of the initial spice just destroying me, it was not that bad, but throughout the day since I ate it first, it kind of just destroyed my stomach. And it's probably not a good idea to do this again because considering this is going to be my breakfast, yeah, this is going to probably make me go to the bathroom a lot, but screw it, we're just going to eat it and try it out. So let's get to it. So we're going to wait for this thing to boil up like usual. Electric kettle. If you don't have one, get one, especially if you're a ramen lover. Trust me, you won't regret it. This thing's way faster than pulling up water in the stove, or if you want to microwave it, but I'm not a huge fan of microwaving ramen just because it gives a weird consistency I'm not a huge fan of. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying. So, for the classic Buldak, pretty much looks the same as this one. Comes with the same 2 packets. But I'm sure it's way more spicier, obviously, because that's the point, right? For people who can tolerate the classic one, this one's gonna burn their ass, so. Damn, water sprinkled on my wrist a little bit. Grab chopsticks. So you guys know the drill. We're gonna wait for this to cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. And we're gonna pour in the sauce and the flakes. We've still got a couple minutes on these noodles, guys, but if there's any other food ideas you guys want me to eat, leave them in the comments below and let me know. Yeah, I'm open to trying new things. I haven't tried any of these at all. That's why I'm trying them right now on video. And yeah, I'm not really big on spice like that. I mean, I am Korean and I do like spice up to a certain extent, but I don't like spice that literally like destroys my palate to the point where it's like unenjoyable. I know some people out there really like that stuff, but I'm just not on their level. I'll be real with you guys. That's just too much for me. But yeah, yeah, leave them down in the comments below if there's anything you guys want me to eat. I'm open to mind. I'm open-minded to trying new things because I mean, who the hell doesn't like eating, right? Food's great. Okay, guys, I just came back from pouring out the water. It's all dried up now. Well, not dried up, but you know what I mean. All right. I'm trying to just mentally prepare myself for this, guys. This is going to kill me. I already know it. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but I'm eating this. Oh God. Just look at that, like, just thickness to it. I mean, it looks about the same as the first one, but oh Jesus. This is going to suck. Like I said, I think after I try these one time, I don't know if I'm gonna try them again, guys. It's just unenjoyable to me, but like at first it tastes good, but then the initial heat just comes in, it just destroys your tongue. At least it does for me. Oh God, this is already making my mouth water up, just smelling it. I'm sorry if my face doesn't look like the most excited. I just I told myself I would eat this once because, you know, I just was curious. But I'm starting to regret it as I stir this up now. And I don't got milk. All I got is water, so I'm a bit scared. My dog's just staring at me like, you're a dumbass. Alright. I think we got it properly stirred up now. Let's take a first bite. Sorry if I just like blew into the mic. I probably just killed some of the earbud people out there. Why do people like this? What the hell? Holy crap, guys. I'm trying to just pace myself, but I can't. It's just, it feels like my mouth is a forest on fire. I don't even know how to describe how that feels. I don't know what I just said. I'm just saying how I feel. Saying the first things that come out of my mouth. Because I can barely talk in general. You know what? This is hot, but I will say it isn't one of the hottest things I've tried in my life. But it is pretty damn close to it. It is definitely one of the spiciest ramens I've tried in my life. Holy crap. I don't even know if I want to take another bite. Holy crap. Why do people like this? Dude, my tongue is just like, why are you doing this to me? That's literally what it's saying. Like, why? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. If people are curious out there and have not tried this like at all, just don't try it. Trust me, you're not missing out. This stuff is so damn spicy, but I am not gonna be a little bitch. I'm gonna finish it. I probably look ridiculous right now, but I'm just trying to survive. Every bite is like pain. This? Nah. Nah. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get words out of my mouth. But I quite simply can't. It like hurts to talk. It hurts to talk. I'm still on fire right now. I'm on freaking fire right now. This is my old ass dog staring at me, judging me. She's like, what are you doing? I'm not gonna hit you. What the hell? She's like 16 years old. I know that was random. No, I didn't choose that dog. Guys, hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, share this video. I want to eat something more enjoyable rather than just put myself in pain. So yeah, hope to see you guys on the next one. Comment what you guys like to see to eat. This